Hello. The less glamorous side of Origin's classic cars. I've got a client coming about 10:30, and because of the traveller project, I've got to be honest, this hasn't happened for about 3 months. So it's a quick whiz. So you know it's bad when you've got spiders that have taken residence in the corners of the room. They're about to get hoovered up. It's a little bit messy here, because it's how I left a couple of cars on the ramp with a couple of chargers. Behind that, there's a big stair there. Most importantly, get the radio on. I'll try and keep things fairly discreet here for obvious reasons, but when we've got a customer or a client coming along, I'll put this sign out onto the high street on the road, which just brings them in. Last week we were here, had a viewing schedule for this, but hadn't run it for a few weeks. Went to do a little start up, wasn't having it. Classic cars, that's what happens. Spent quite a few hours on the Wednesday, messing around, playing with carburetors, electrics. Eventually gave up in the evening. Following day, trailered it to my workshop, and Paul, the guru, I said I'd eat my hat if it gets it running quickly. And after about an hour, he had it running, which would turn out to be a simple thing as a condenser inside the distributor cap. So we've got a viewing on this this morning, and I think we're all good to go. Chat's going to be about an hour. So this 1953 MGTD, which we're selling, has got a really nice history file. In fact, the office is adorned with it, weirdly, at the moment. So it's, I think it originally went to America, and this is a Californian plate dated 1990. We've got some cups over here. So it's won sort of first prize in some shows. Again, going back to sort of like the 80s and 90s, I think this is one of them. Yeah, 1981, came second. National Spring Meet, Long Beach, California. So I know the car's 1953, but even to have history from the 81 now, obviously is 45 years later or whatever. This little ring binder has invoices. Again, well, it's got tax lists actually from its time in America. And then we've got invoices, or receipts for bill back to 76 here. Where else we got? All quite cool, actual old school invoices from America. Quite a few. So that's it sort of. Then it came back to, I think it was was it the UK first, or did it go to France? I think it was the UK. Got registered in the UK. Then the lady that owns the car moved permanently to France. So the car then went to France and spent a few years there, and it got registered in France, and we've got all the paperwork for that as well. So that's some of the French paperwork. So it's pretty free to move around Europe because it's already done so. So there's history of it moving around. So we've got it's a very good history file with invoices current to even to 1976. So the TD comes with a good little spares package in about 3 boxes, quite a lot of useful stuff. It's got its hood fitted to the car, but it's got a little half tonneau or hood bag. This is a full tonneau, which is good. And then it's got its side screens for the doors and the rear, jack, starting handle, and most importantly, this. which is its fuel tank dipstick, because there's no fuel gauge. So you pop that in there, and you see how much fuel you've got. I've got more stuff in the office as well.
No, well, it will be changed over the years.
The file we have goes back to the early 70s. Yeah. So there's invoices and receipts from the early 70s in California, where the car was residing. Well, the better the conditions for the car, obviously the better it's going to last. Yeah. So if you've got a damp garage, nothing's going to last that well.
It's basically to look after it.
Sorry?
Basically to look at it. Does that
I think you have to sort of get the material out of it. You just grab that material here, put it out. And try and get it to the balloon out like that. Then the frame will go down. So,
right, 77, right, goes right through.
That's the key word, maintenance. If you keep on top of it, just check the oil, check the water regularly. Keep an eye out for little leaks and weeps which happen. Yeah. Deal with them. You'll never have any major catastrophes. So when you don't keep an eye on them, something might happen that could be costly. But theoretically, it literally, you can get some of the bits for them all, which is good.
Yeah, I mean the bits seem a lot more readily available than I expected.
Yeah, there's Brown and Gammons do them. Moss Europe do them.
Yeah.
I think the brothers MTG.
Yeah.
Specialists in the T series MG. That's it. So if I take a picture of this as well, there's a reference number. Well, if you want to take a picture of it,
yeah, sure.
There's a reference number there. Do you have the green slip? It'll say, are you the new keeper? Do you have the green slip? You go, yes. And it says, give us the wrong number, and then it will let you do the taxing of the car. Go on. Just keep going. Stop!
Yeah, that's good. Goes that way if anything, but I think you're okay. Yeah, that's good. Straight. Good. Whoa. I'd like to leave this on for emergencies. But I don't want it to sort of shunt and scrape all the chrome off here.
No, that's fine. Well, it's fine.
Oh, it rolls, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's good.
Right. So ramps away, yeah? On that other one.
Right. Get it now.
Cut! Take 3. Yeah.
Like a glove.
Yay.
Right.
Well done.
So we'll need to thread it through on this side, don't we? So we can ratchet it.
No.
You won't ratchet anything up if you do it on that.
No, because
it's got to go between between these 2 points, hasn't it?
Doesn't have to. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
Sensible. And the other strap goes over the back. Right.
Centralised that in there like that. Good stuff.
You want to
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Cameron.
Pleasure doing business.
Good. Okay. Can I just run through my little list of? I
Yeah.
think you've answered most of them already. Renova, you said yes to. Right. Good.
That just helps, and obviously just mutton cloth.
Yep. Yep. All good. Good.
Brilliant.
No, I'll just have to. There's so many of these things I'm trying to think
That's
of.
all right, no worries.
Okay. Good.
Good, we'll have a safe trip back.
Okay. I
Take it
hope
steady.
so.
Take it steady.
Oh yes. Don't you worry.